Okay, once again, I gotta keep quiet. Okay, so I'm speaking like this in a soft voice. What I'm gonna show you is this sketch over here. First one I'll show you feathers. This is pattern right over here. Same one that I drew in a previous video. You can see this one is solid. This one is dots on here, and this one is netted. First sketch. Second one I'm going to show you. This one right over here. You can see like stringy over here. This one is netted. This one is the same one, but with solid borders around here. And finally, I'll show you the floor plan of a bedroom. You see the desk and a computer and a chair, the dresser over here, and the bed here, and then the window at the side there. So, those are my sketches for today. I'll show you more in a future video.